are great for warming up the voice. We'll sing in fifths. Let's start on R. R, R, R. Your turn. Let's change to E. We call it a glissando when you're sliding from one note to the other and you have a sense of, it's almost like you're going down a slide. So that's used for effect sometimes in singing, but it's not something you would generally use in singing. But it's a great one to get the voice connected through your vocal range. Thanks for listening and joining in, and we'll see you on the next one.